right? It's long enough where you could drop the rear down. All the bolts are tight except for these. I just put them on where they hit the nylon lock, but I didn't tighten them because the top is tight. So these two are loose, and the two for the anti-roll bar are loose. Okay, and all these are tight. Okay, I put the gasket on here for you. Right, that's a gasket for that. All these bars are, these are all tight. When you measure this, anytime you want to measure this, you're measuring from here, right here like this, okay? So you're measuring from here to one of these factory holes, okay? So if you measure from here to the factory hole on both sides, as far out into the axle as you can when you're doing this, okay? So they're right now, these are tight. So the bottom ones set your, no, the bottom ones are gonna set your wheel base,
right, and then
right, and your steering, your back, your rear steer, okay? They have to be the same, okay? The top one is tight on this side. That's your pinion angle, okay, or whatever you want to do. That one's on. That's tight. This one, see how it's loose? No.
That's the preload.
No preload. So this one's going to be, this is tight, and this says no preload in it. Same thing when you do the anti-roll bar. Put the car on the ground. This one, you take that one off, put this one in, set the anti-roll bar to the height of that in the middle. Okay, you're going to just set it to that height. All right, right now it's hanging, so it's going to be basically perfectly straight across. Okay, get that where you want it. Lock the two nuts in. Put this one in. I left these two bottom bolts loose. You put that one in, and this has to be, it has to be able to swing in and out. No preload. Take the car down the track, and then we'll set your preload if you need it. When you're ready, I'll be with you to do all that anyway. But I'm just giving you a rundown on how it works. That's like the quick version. Okay? So, wheelbase, left and right, pinion angle, nothing. Zero preload. Zero preload on that. Shocks are set. They're all at zero right now. Everything's at zero. You're gonna have to drop these, drop this down, put your center section in, put the dry shaft in, and then set your pinion angle. And then same thing, take this bar off. Okay, that's why I left the bolts loose. You're gonna take the top bar off on this side, set your pinion angle with that one. If it needs to go down more, and you back both of these out, right? And that'll bring it to go like that. If you need it to go up, make the back one go up, and then you put the third bar back, the fourth bar back in, and it's always got to be loose, okay? We'll go all over that again. That was a quick thing, but we'll go all over that again when the car's done.
This is realistic.
When the motor and the tranny's in the car, and the car is running, bring the car back down here, we'll scale it, set all that up, and then we'll go to the track from here.
All right.
All right? Front tires are done. Same thing. We'll you know, do a quick alignment on the tires and everything when you come back down when it's running. Right now they're going straight, but we'll make sure it's dead on one. All right. Okay. You are done. Your car is ready to go.
Send it on its way.
I'm gonna give you a call in about 10 minutes. I'm not putting the doors back on. I'm not putting the fenders back on. If you want them back on when you come down on Saturday, we'll put them back on. All right?
Okay.
I'm going to back outside real quick. Give it a once over where everybody can see it's done.
I mean, we didn't paint the doors or anything, so they look the same. It looked way different though as a roller though.
Nice and rolls, nice and easy. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wants to go on its own.
Yeah, no weight in it. Wants to go back home.
Just like that.
Yeah. I want to get it now.
right? I mean, it rolls easy. That's uphill right there.
That's what the tree's there for, just in
Yeah,
case.
the tree's there to stop everything. It stopped many cars too. Give me a little chop for the wheel.
All right.
And, all right. Stay right here. Hold it for a second.
I got it.
You give it a once around.
It won't go nowhere. Even if it does, I'll push it. I gotta walk faster than it.
Maybe once I go, man. All right. All right. Give it a once all the way around. Show everybody how it looks. It sits sweet. All the lug nuts are tight, although you're gonna have to take the back ones back off.
It's gonna need a parachute, a wing, and a wheelie bar
Hell
after.
yeah. Hell yeah. All right.
Okay.
Headliner's all nice.
Yep. Right.
All right.
There we go.
And you can put your column and all. I mean, you got a lot of stuff to do, but blow it all out real quick and we're done.
Alright, yeah.
You ready?
All right, so Tom's here. He's picking up his car. We just showed him the underneath, and we went over some stuff. And he's gonna see it for the first time on the ground now. So
The bees seem to like it.
Yeah. Oh man, they've been all over the
he's gonna
place.
see how it sits.
Gonna have to like crawl into it now.
Yeah. That's pretty awesome.
Look good?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that is definitely pretty damn badass.
There you go.
You can push it out after, move that side of the lift.
Yeah, we rolled it outside yesterday, right? Look how nice it rolls. I got a bird nest up there. I keep running out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, put it on the blacktop so it's go all the way back. So you can see where it sits.
Definitely looks a little race car like.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a tad bit. Oh yeah. That thing is awesome.
So, one correction while I got you, because I know you guys are you're gonna be, I don't want you to be confused. When you're taking a measurement from the rear axle, you need to measure it at the axle, not the housing. Like I put the tape measure up against the housing. You don't want that. You
Try to
want
do it
at
to the end.
You want to go to the axle. So take the wheel off, like initially, take the wheel off and measure from the axle flange.
Yeah.
Because the housing ends are welded, but they're not exactly centered with the tube, so you'll get a misreading, right?
I like that the glove box is still open, so
I
I
made
can
sure
keep
that
my
worked.
registration in there for when the cops.
that
That's what we got ours.
We got a RAM SD box and all that.
Well, no, you had yours in the ashtray still, and then we took the ashtray out.
Open this up, right? And then you can weld something in here, or put a tab across here. You put your MSD box in here, so when you open up, done.
Yeah, that's how we got them all. Yep.
Gotta get all the sand out of it, but
How bad was the windshield to put in?
not too bad.
Yeah.
The moldings are good.
You know, the other thing that's kind of funny is that now I can actually see what the roof looks like instead of the car being like this high up in the air.
Yeah.
We were working on it like that.
Yeah. That thing looks cool.
So it came in with, if you guys remember, if you're watching the video, it came in on a dolly, like a big giant dolly,
Sitting right over here.
mounted about 2 feet up in the air.
Sitting on the dolly.
No suspension, no nothing. So it was a shell, literally a shell.
Just a shell.
So these you saw in the video, right? These things I made. So
Yeah.
That's right height.
Yeah.
But where you're sitting, that's exactly what it says.
seen it with a fender or nothing. I mean,
Yeah, if you want.
we'll put the doors on it.
Yeah, we'll throw the doors in there.
All right, we're gonna throw the doors on and just lay the fenders on with a couple bolts to see what it looks like. So we'll get you back in 2 seconds.
All right.
Don't scratch the paint. All right, so we got one door on. Putting one fender on now. I'm gonna mount the other door and see how it looks. All right, so the fender's on, the door's on. So at ride height, got plenty of clearance to turn the wheel left and right. We already turned it left and right. It's good.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right, we're gonna put the other side on. All right, we got the other side on. And then he brought something down. We're gonna show you guys.
Yeah.
Wait till you see this. This is cool. All right, Tom, that's the end of that video for the car. Let's show them the...
Show them the intake and the headers.
So he brought the intake and headers down that he's gonna use. Like I said, you guys will get bits and pieces as we go along with it. All right, so where'd you get these from?
Mad Dog headers down in the great state of Georgia.
Mad Dog. Okay, so it's Mad Dog headers. Made in the USA. They got a website or something?
Yeah, I think it was maddogheaders.com or something.
All right, there you
I'll
go.
find the website.
Nice. Now you got to get these coated.
Yep. I figured get them in the car,
Make sure they fit.
make sure they fit.
Look at that.
And
They got a nice setup.
what's crazy
You know
about
what I like that they did?
They made it. They left it in one piece, but you can split them if you want. Which you're probably going to want to split them.
Yeah, definitely.
If you want it, you just take them back up.
No, you don't have to. Just
Or you
split
wouldn't
'em.
have
yeah,
to?
no, you leave them on individual pieces so that they're easy to get on and off.
No, I mean if you wanted to leave them, you probably just.
You ain't getting them on there all in one piece. You're not getting them on there in one piece. There's no way.
Yours are one piece.
No, they ain't.
Yeah.
On the comment thing,
Yeah,
aren't
yeah.
Well, look at the front end. Those are zoomies.
Yeah.
These, look, he's got to go. That goes under the motor. That goes on that side.
Oh.
See what I'm
okay.
saying?
Yeah, yeah.
You'd have to put the car together, put that in, and then
You would have to
build a
have
car around it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, this one was a little bit.
There you go. Dude, that's sick looking.
That is crazy.
Man,
That's pretty much.
like that. Hold on.
Gotta go
Hold that
together
side.
here.
Pretty much goes together somewhere.
Look
around
at
like
that.
That's cool.
Talk about a freaking jigsaw puzzle to put
Yeah, oh,
in the car.
yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
All right, so there you go.
Yeah, 2-inch primaries and a 3.5-inch collector.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's those. And then he's got an intake manifold that he got.
Yeah.
Where'd you get this from?
Bear Block Motors,
Okay, so
They're
here's
on,
another one.
California.
All right. Let me get on this side of Suns. There we go.
Good old.
Ooh, that's a pretty setup right there. Oh yeah, nice. Open plenum on the bottom.
FE tunnel wedge intake.
There you go.
And then I got a Bear Block Motors 427 block. I'm gonna do a 482 stroker and keep it a stick.
My man.
And gonna
That is
do
nice.
13-to-1 compression and run it on E85.
All right, you heard it from the owner.
Yeah. Yeah, and I got trick flow heads
That's
for it
cool.
also.
So that's where the plate goes down.
Yeah,
that
plate
looks
goes
good,
on
man. And it's all O-rings. That's nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
All right.
That's,
That is really nice.
yeah.
Like I said, he'll keep us updated as he goes along with it.
Oh yeah. And it'll be back. It'll be back.
We'll be doing more stuff to it when he gets it all put back together, and then we'll go to the track with it.
You'll have to fix everything I mess up.
Hopefully nothing.
No.
All right, guys.
There we go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tom, you like it?
I'm loving it.
All right, man. Talk to you guys soon.